When you first start an agency, you're trying to just build process. Then you kind of get it nailed down a bit, but in many systems, you would just have to reapply those tasks to the application you're using each time. If you're starting to do some volume, that gets burdensome. What was exciting about teamwork is that you can expose some complexity almost when you're ready. Early on, when I build a task template, it also was smart enough to recognize that I might not be in a position to name the resource for each of those tasks right now. So I could create that, and then each time I apply it out of our resource pool, these are the 3 or 4 people I'm going to be using on this project, and then I can enter their names in after I've applied the task template. I would say we're moving much quicker, and the integration with the client is much stronger. That happens because of the ability to open them up, bring them into teamwork, bring them into chat and spaces. We also use Desk. We make sure that if they've got a problem, they can get it out to us, it alerts the right people, and we're on it to resolve that issue. It helps us evaluate, hey, here's what we thought the profitability for a particular task would be. In reality, this is how much it takes all the people that do that task to do it. And then we reevaluate. So when we're pitching to a client, we're doing our best job to level that to the right spot. So we're as accurate as we can on what's it going to take us to get that thing done. If you called me today and said, hey, John, we need to cancel this interview because we're going out of business, that would be a devastating blow to our organization. That's the best way I could probably express the impact that Teamwork's made on us. It's basically our business's operating system.